Hi everyone, this is Sheshe coming on to make this pretty card, and I'll show you the products that I'm using to make it. I'm using this beautiful die set from Aliexpress store. I'm also going to use this die. It comes from, I'll show you in a minute, this set right here. 4 little banner dies. It's stitch, and I'm going to use vellum to stamp some gold happy birthday sentiment. And I'll show you what set that comes from. It comes from this stamp set. It says happy birthday on it. So I'm going to use this center doily out of this set. And I'm using this stamp set. I'm going to stamp out 2 of the roses and some leaves to accent it, as you can see on the card right here. And this is where that doily piece is going to go. This is where that strip is going to go on this card. And I'll use some flat back pearls. And I'm going to change it up and use actually this type of card for the center for that. I used cardstock for this, but I'm going to use something fancy and do a shimmer card for that. I'm still going to keep the black as my doily piece, but I'm going to recreate this card, and I'm going to watercolor the roses. I will probably use a different technique for these roses. They're pretty as it is, but we'll see how it turns out. I'm going to use this gold embossing powder by Michael's, the Recollections brand, and Versamark ink is what I use. Many people don't know it, but this is what it looks like. And just sit back and enjoy the process. Okay, here's the finished cards. This is the one I just completed. So pretty. I gave it some Wink Stella to make it shine. This was the original card. It does not have Wink Stella, but I really love how it turned out. So I hope you found this video helpful and gave you some ideas on what you could do with your set of stamps. And here is the set I used. This one right here from Alina store. Really, really fun set. And I used it a lot to make different cards. So that is my video for today, making this pretty card. So take care, and I hope you have a fabulous day.